that ignites innovation, creativity, and progress. On Potent TV podcast, we believe that everyone has the power to fuel their curiosity and change the world. Join us this morning on our. Good morning, sir, and how are you?
I'm good and I can't complain. I'm not afraid.
I'm okay.
Yes.
So tell me and my people who you really are, where you grew up, and where you are currently staying.
Okay, I like to greet the viewers at home and also Booking TV. My name is Abram Masike. I'm from Mamelodi. I was born in Mamelodi and grew up in Mamelodi. In
Oh,
extension 6 years.
all right. All right, sir. Kindly introduce Matmas Holdings and its vision.
Okay, Matmas Holdings is a company where we deal with architecture and also construction. And for us to start this company, wanted to make sure each and every person around, doesn't matter how far the person stays, everyone who needs something to design or to build, then we can also help.
Worldwide.
Yes, worldwide.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. So tell me, what inspired you to start Matmas Holdings?
For me to start Matmas Holding, I look at where I was working before, and also I look on this industry that we are working in, which is architecture and construction.
Yes.
Then I saw there's a big gap that need to be filled. Then that's what inspired me to start this company. Yes.
All right. No, it's a very good thought. So now tell me, have you helped your community members with job opportunities? Since starting this organization or company, have you maybe hired people around? How does it help the community?
Definitely, I know we're still a small company, but on this company, what I can tell you, on architecture, most of the time, I'm the one who's designing.
All right.
But if there's a student
Yes.
that maybe is doing architecture, want in service training, I also call them so that I can teach them how to use what you call it, AutoCAD and Revit and so on.
Okay, you give them
Yeah,
opportunities,
give them
even
opportunity,
students.
yes.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
on construction site, what I do, I hire the local people, especially most what I'm hiring. Like last time, I did hire two ladies. And also, I approach the client that the client, how about I can build a house and so that I can give you a quotation, how much it's going to cost you for the foundation, brick walls, and also the roof, plastering, and so on. Then some of the time they like it, they said it's from the one company. That means they trust me because I'm the designer. Then also I can build the house correctly with the exact measurement. Yes.
Yes, they knew that. No. Okay, so now tell me, what big companies did you work with, if there are any? And if you don't mind, obviously sharing with my people.
I don't think
Big
it's a
project.
problem.
All
Yes,
right,
yeah, I
no
don't think
problem then.
I've worked with Edcos Architects, Meolase Architects. Then I've worked with Proplan Solution Technologies and Square 2 Solutions. And Musehedi Architects, there are a lot, there are many, I cannot count them, actually, I can tell you. But the one that I can tell the story, the story about, I've worked with Encosa. At Encosa, I was a subcontractor working on the project from Department of Public Works. It was conditional assessment. What we do, we go to each and every property that is owned by the government in the Northwest, the whole of Northwest. I know each and every corner of that place. I can tell you.
Northwest.
Yeah, then in Northwest, then we started in Rustenburg down to what do you call it, Freiberg. Do you even know Freiberg?
I don't.
You don't know
You are
Freiberg?
here to fuel me, sir.
Yes. And then we are in Northwest. Then we are started. We're dealing with a conditional assessment. What we do, we go to each and every property
Yes.
which is owned by the government.
government, yeah.
And then when we go to assess to check what is broken, what need to be extended, and what need to be fixed on the school. Then if there's a shortage of square meters, maybe there's a lot of student in a class,
yeah.
then that means we're going to make a report. Also employ the youth around the community, skilled and unskilled. What we are trying to do, we take this one by mixing daga. Then if we work with them, we also help teach them also, even this one, the skilled one, the bricklayers. We help them, we teach them how to set the house, to outside the house, the measurement and so on. And also how to count the bricks to see, to get the level where you're going to put the window and so on. They must know those measurements.
Right.
And also they must know how to calculate the square meters. That's things that I'm teaching them. But for employment, I take them so that they must come and work with me. Plus months, it can be somewhere 3 months. And I'm employing different people. They will be the one work coming to mix the daga,
Yes.
the bricklayers, the plasters, the one that they are doing the roof sealing, tiling, painting, and also pavement, even installing what you call it, aluminium windows and doors.
So you are doing a lot.
Yes.
You are doing a very good job. And guys, I'm being fooled here because I didn't even know that you needed to count bricks before the window. You know, I didn't even know those things. I like.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So now tell me, what are the challenges you have faced since starting this company, this construction company?
It was a funding problem.
Yes.
Yeah, because every time
Money.
when you start,
Yeah.
then I have to use my savings so that I can start this company. And it was tough. For me to get the first client, it was also tough.
Yeah.
And also I have to start with the marketing, start looking for the clients, especially on architecture, before we can go to construction. Then for me, then I start doing the networking with the people that I know before. They used to give me what you call it, they subcontract me when they have a workload, so that I can help with the designs, detail working, drawing, and so on. And also some of the mentors that I know, the guys that are bigger guys from me, then I know that guy is an architect, that one is an engineer, and so I used to work with them. I can tell you a story. I used to go to another guy, then I cannot tell the name of the guy, but stays in Mamelodi there. He's an engineer. I used to go to him, go to work at least for the whole day for the one plan so that they can pay me 1,200 for that plan if it's finished for that day. That was a long time ago.
Yeah, when things were still.
Yeah.
So now, you said finding your first client was hard. So I want you to tell me and my people, how much long did it take you to actually say that now, you know what, at least I've achieved something? Like, what can I say? It was hard, right? So, but then at least there's a point where you said, no, man, I am going somewhere. I can see a progress. How much time did it take you to see that?
It was plus minus 3 months.
Really?
Yeah, before I get my first client. Then I got my first client, which is Mamkwena in Mamelodi.
Yeah.
Then I drew his house. Then I sent it to the municipality for approval. Then it went there. Then it came approved. Then he refers me to another one, and so on and so on and so on. Then
That's how you grew up.
And also start working with these other big guys that I know.
Yeah.
Yes.
It didn't take you too long. It didn't take you too long. 3 months for a construction company to actually start being in progress, to start working for people. 3 months.
Actually, I started with the architectural company. Then
Okay.
from the architectural company, then that's when I saw there's also a gap in construction. That's why I went to construction.
And tell me and my people, because we are wondering, how do you sell hair food without hair? Because you don't have hair. Who do you test it on?
I can tell you, there's a butcher, ne?
Yeah.
I can be the butcher.
All right.
But I'm a ZTC. I don't eat the pork, but I sell the pork. That's what I do.
But hair food is something that's very hair. It's very private, sensitive.
I think that the same. I don't have hair, but I'm selling hair food. He doesn't eat
What
pork.
if it doesn't work?
He doesn't eat pork, but he sells pork.
What if the hair food doesn't work? What if it's gonna just make my hair fall
No,
off?
it works because you know what? I saw with my daughter and even my wife.
Okay.
I saw their hair because you, especially you ladies, you have a problem with hair, especially hairline. Yeah,
all right.
Everything there.
Okay, it helps them. We look at it like
Yes.
Yeah.
I can tell the person, if you are passionate with something or you love something, this is what you want to do. You don't have to give up, even if it's tough. You must keep on pushing. But the talent you keep on pushing. That's what we do. You keep on pushing, because if you know what you want, definitely you'll achieve.
Yes.
You understand?
And you know what? I heard, don't kill me, but I heard that you want to take all the money in this country. You selling hair foods, you selling datas, everything actually that you can see, or no, this is gonna make something for me. You just sell. Like, how do you do it? Where do you get the inspiration, man? I mean,
I'm a hustler, I'm a businessman. I don't want to see. I'm a hustler. That's what I do. Each and everything that I say that can make money for me.
Yes, money, man.
Even now, I'm planning to go on farming. Actually, that's what I'm planning.
We are here for
money. I'm going to deal with pigs and also the rabbits.
At Mamelodi.
Yes,
Are you gonna manage?
Yes,
the farming, and and Matmas. Are you gonna be okay?
Yes, because that one it allows me to employ another people. So if I'll be designing,
jobs.
Let's say in the evening, then in the morning, that means if there's someone who's going to do the working drawing, then already the design is there. It's going to just do the detailed drawing, and the other ones will go to the construction, the other one goes to the farm.
I believe in someone who creates job opportunities, because that's what we struggle with here, so that actually makes me so happy. I'm so proud of you. Very, very proud of you. So, ladies and gentlemen, here you have it from Pukeng TV podcast. Tell me, sir, where can these people get you if they want your services? Please tell my people.
Okay. They can find me on Facebook, Abram Masike, or Matmas Holdings, and also they can find me on my number, which is 068 544 3146, 068 544 3146. The other number is 062 072 62 82 488, 072 62 82 488. They can also WhatsApp me.
Thank you. And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen, from Pukeng TV podcast. Tune in on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. It's Pukeng TV podcast. Subscribe and follow us so that you don't miss any episode. From Mahalis. Let's